Welcome to my 2015 LX570. So this is going to be an intro and an outro video of this vehicle. I never made a video yet of this thing. I've been too busy with my 85 4Runner. So anyways, I am downgrading to a 100 series Land Cruiser. I just would like to have the extra money in my pocket right now. So I'm going to be importing a 100 series Land Cruiser. So I'm going to be getting rid of this one, and I figured I better do a video before I get rid of it. So I've had this for I think 10 months now. I got it in January, and it's been an awesome vehicle. Like, this thing is a freight train. Like, it's 5.7 liter, has tons of power, and then the suspension, you can put it on comfort or sport. It does awesome in both modes for what it needs to do, and it's been awesome. I love it. The downside, gas is at $1.45 right now for regular, so premium is whatever it is right now. It's crazy. So this thing is very expensive, and I have a heavy foot, so that makes it even worse. I really do enjoy romping on it, so I figured I'll take it out to the pits and just kind of go off-roading and flex it out and see what it can do. Yeah, just play around in the sand and have a little bit of fun. Get it on video, and I have my drone with me today too, so I can get some drone shots. Okay, we are at the pits today to test out the LX570. Having 4 low right now and suspension up high. The off-road setting is on rock and dirt, so I don't know, maybe that will be what we need for this sand. So I think there's a sand mode actually. Maybe I should put it the sand mode. that's lots of fun. This thing is a beast. A 5.7 liter, full-time four-wheel drive. Yeah, she's pretty awesome. Well, I guess I'll show the interior now. Beautiful leather, heated, AC. Your controls for the suspension, sport, comfort, ride height, your 4x4 setting, 4 high, 4 low, hill descent, sharp cornering, and suspension off. You can just put it on normal mode. TVs in the back. The kids love those. The third row folds up. Nice Lexus mat. There's the button. Folds down. And she's up. The sub. This thing has a really good stereo. Last time I climbed this was in my 85 4Runner. That video's on YouTube. I don't know if it just got worse here or if a solid axle 85 4Runner is that much better, but it's struggling right here. One tire's almost off the ground, and yeah, so it's struggling. Also, that 85 4Runner, I probably don't care to wreck it. I'm gonna try this one more time with a little bit of speed. I do not want to wreck this Lexus since I'm selling it right away here, so. Probably the biggest problem with filming in Saskatchewan here, it's so windy, so this GoPro footage is probably not so good just because there's so much wind. There I go. I just had to try harder. I was worried about scraping the side of the truck on this wall right here. Out here, so this thing's doing pretty good. I got stuck, and then right when I got out of the truck, somebody pulled up at the pits here. So yeah, that's some good luck. Yeah, I just got hung up right there. For the most part, I'm always just testing the limits to see what crawl control can get me out of and whatnot. Sometimes I do this on purpose. I don't know about this time, but I push the limits.